Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are again on our series of Mikrotik Hotspot. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to customize a hotspot login page and upload it to your Mikrotik Hotspot. Let's get started. I'm already done doing the basic hotspot configuration. I will just do a quick run through. We have one ISP in Ether 1 and I created two bridges for bridge LAN and bridge hotspot. For bridge LAN, I assigned port 2 and port 3, and for bridge hotspot, I assigned port 4 and port 5. IP DHCP client for our internet. Then IP address. This is the IP addresses. Then IP routes. Then IP DNS. Then IP firewall. Then we will proceed to IP hotspot. IP hotspot. In servers tab. In servers profile tab. Login tab. Then user profiles, I created 10 minutes. Five MB rate limit. Then in the users, I created 2 users for the test for user and password later on in the, you can see it later in the login page. Then for the voucher, so this user credentials is the one that we will use later. Then, so let's proceed to the configuration with the customized hotspot. I will access the JAT hotspot and see the default hotspot login page of Mikrotik. So let's disable the LAN first. Then Wi-Fi. JAT test. Connect. So this is what it looks like, the default hotspot login page of Mikrotik. We will change this to another HTML template. So I have here a sample template for our customized login page. Load this template to our Mikrotik device. Then open the file. We will choose hotspot 2. So we will make sure to rename this one to hotspot. And we will put this in the Mikrotik. So let's disconnect the Wi-Fi. Then connect again to the LAN. Let's access the Mikrotik. So we will go to files. Then remove the default hotspot template. So click that one, then delete. Then go to your new template. Drag and drop it here in files. Right. Next is go to your IP hotspot and server profiles. Make sure that in the HTML directory, flash hotspot is the path. So make sure that this is correct. Apply and OK. We will access again the JAT hotspot. So we disable the LAN, then access the Wi-Fi. We will now customize this HTML template. So we will use Notepad++ in this tutorial. So we will go to the hotspot file. Then we will start by changing the logo and the background. So I have here my logo and background. So for the background, it's textures. Make sure that you have the correct file name. Copy that one, then go to your hotspot. Then go to img folder, then replace the files in the destination. Fresh. Let's go here to the hotspot, then login. Alright, so it's not changed. So the background picture is not center. So we will make this center, the background. So I'll go to the CSS file, style.css. So right click this one, then edit with Notepad++. So find the texture. So Control F, then textures. Textures is the file name for our background. So when I enter that one, so in this area, you will put then colon center semicolon. Alright, so it's now centered. The background picture is now in center. So we will change the fab icon. This is the fab icon. So we will change this one to jot fab icon. So I have here a picture. The fab icon has an extension of icon. So make sure that your picture is that icon. So I'll copy this one and put it on the hotspot folder. Outside this one, so we will change this one. So delete that one and paste the new fab icon. And we upload this to our Mikrotik. Let's connect to the LAN and disable the Wi-Fi. Remove the hotspot file, then paste it again. Alright, so we will access our jet hotspot Wi-Fi. So I'll disable the LAN, then connect to the Wi-Fi. Let's reconnect. Alright, so as what you can see, it's now changed to the customize. So we customize the background, the logo, and the fab icon. So we will now start to change the text. So I will remove this text Then change this one to English because this text is in Indonesian language. So I'll change this one to English. Then I remove this one. All I want is the code voucher and the user password. So let's now edit. So go to the hotspot folder. Then we'll open the login HTML, the logout HTML, and the status HTML. So we will start first in the login.html. So we will change the title to Jot Hotspot. Then let's run through from top to bottom. Then we will change the this one. So we will search this to the login.html. Then we will remove this. So I'll remove this. Right, the next is I look for code voucher word. So I'll search code voucher. Voucher code. Find again. We will change this to English. Find next. So all code voucher text will be changed to voucher code. Find next. So I can't understand that one, so I'll copy, then search for the translation. So I'll disable first the Wi-Fi, then connect to my LAN so that I can have an internet. Indonesian to English. I'll copy this one, this text. Right, so we'll copy the translated text, then paste it here in the login.html. So let's find again code voucher word. So there's none. So we will remove this. So I want this to be removed. You need to have a knowledge of HTML to customize your hotspot login page. What's the meaning of this word? Let us search. Click here. This one, Kuba gratis. What's the meaning of Kuba gratis? It's try it for free. So I'll change the text to the English. Then this one is click here. So next is we will remove this area. So we will find packet Wi-Fi, then I'll just remove the whole div. Then for this one to be removed, I'll search this one. Right. I'll also remove whole table. Save. So let's search for login masok. Control F, masok. Right. So what's the meaning of masok? Masok. Masok means enter. And change that one. Then login code voucher. Let's search. So we're done editing that one. Alright, so I think we're done with the login.html. Trial. I think we're done. We're done with the login.html. So let's proceed to logout.html. So I'll change this one to chat hotspot logout. Then I'll open the logout HTML. Double click. So I'll find this one, the text. Right. So what's the meaning of this one? You have logout. So I'll copy. Then I'll put it here. I'll change the UL to upload and DL to download. Alright, so I'll change this one to load. Download. Active means active. Then sa quota, we'll search for the English translation. So it's remaining quota. Then for sisa waktu, it's remaining time. Login Kimbali. Login again. I think we're done with the logout HTML. So we will now proceed to status.html. So I'll change this one to chat hotspot. Next is let's just open the status.html. So salamat datang. So I'll search for the English translation. So it's translated to welcome. Let's control find salamat. Alright. So I'll change this one to welcome. Mass active voucher. So I want to remove this one. So let's search for Masa Active Voucher. The translation of Masa Active Voucher is voucher active period. So I'll just delete that one. I don't need this line in the template. So it's up to you, but for me, I'll just remove this one. Remove. Table. So I'll edit this one, this area. Think we're done. So let's just upload. We will upload the hotspot folder again in the Mikrotik and check if we successfully created the customization. So let's go to files, then delete the hotspot template. Then we will drag and drop the hotspot folder to the Mikrotik device. We will access the chat hotspot and check one at a time. So we will check the login, the status, and the logout. So we'll access the Wi-Fi. Oh, I forgot to clear the history. I'll clear the history here in my browser. Let's connect again to the Wi-Fi. Right, so we successfully customized the template. We will first try the user password. So we created in the Mikrotik, in the hotspot users, for user and password. The username is user1, then the password is 1234. Click login. So welcome user1. We need to find the word kilo-r and change that one later. So logout.html, we will take note first. So we will change kilo-r. And we will log out. So for the logout, it's done. So when we do log in again, we'll try to input wrong credentials. What will be the error? The voucher code does not match or has been used. So it's correct. So we will try to do here in the voucher code. So the one that we created in the hotspot users is test. So welcome test. So kilo-r. We will also change this one. Let's go again to our HTML files. We'll find the word kilo-r in, I think it's in the status.html. So we'll open Notepad++, then Control F, find the word kilo-r. So the meaning of kilo-r. I will just remove that one. We'll just retain logout. So we're done. We will upload this again to the Mikrotik device. Let's go to files, then remove the hotspot folder. Upload again. Alright, so it's done. Let's go to IP hotspot. So for the users, so we use user1 and password 1234. For the user password authentication. Then for the voucher, we use test. So let's access again the Wi-Fi. Disable the LAN. Go to the browser. And I'll clear the history. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi. Alright, so it's now applied successfully. So I'll input here in the voucher code test. Welcome test. So log out. Alright, so we are done. So it's up to you guys. You can do more customization and on your own. So for this tutorial, we just do the basics. So this is it guys on how to customize hotspot login page in your Mikrotik device. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please also hit that notification bell so you can be notified to my new videos. Bye for now and have a nice day.